Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Know the exact device model and firmware, because vendors lock rate settings to specific drivers and firmware. Once you have admin access, back up the running config. This protects you if rate changes break connectivity. Next, open an SSH session or the vendor web UI. Locate the Advanced Radio or PHY settings. Make sure the interface is in the correct mode, AP or client, as that determines which rates you can change. Now you perform the core changes. Find the modulation, MCS index, and rate mask controls. Vendors often expose supported rates versus basic, mandatory rates. Change values incrementally, lower one parameter or disable a high MCS first, because abrupt changes can drop clients. Apply changes via the CLI commit or GUI save. Watch logs and signal graphs to confirm the radio remains up. If your vendor requires a radio restart for settings to take effect, schedule a short. Complete the process by verifying associations and running quick throughput tests. Measure signal-to-noise and retry counts to ensure stability. If clients fail to connect or speeds drop, revert to your backed-up config immediately, then reapply changes one at a time to isolate the cause. Also check device drivers and vendor firmware. Many rate limits come from driver or regulatory region settings. Keep a brief record of what you changed and when, so you can roll back or repeat the procedure confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.